Elemental analysis is more than measurement. It's a dance of charged particles and photons. A performance choreographed by physics reveals the secrets of our material world. Now you can achieve even greater XRF performance. Malvern Analytical introduces Revontium. Endless possibilities for more powerful, sustainable elemental analysis. Revontium offers simplicity in a world of complexity. At the touch of a button, you can unlock precision and reduce data-related workloads. Up to 6 million photons detected per second, excitation possibilities ranging from 4 to 60 kilovolts, with only 200 watts consumed per hour. All achieved with a compact footprint, a 25% lower cost of ownership, and user training in under 30 minutes. Revontium harnesses accessible, cutting-edge technology to deliver high-quality data in a variety of environments. With Revontium, you can now achieve the optimal balance between precision and efficiency. Compact brilliance, powerful analysis, endless possibilities. Revontium, a new age of elemental analysis. We are Malvern Analytical. We are big on small.